perempuan. Ini yang satu saja, ini factory satu saja yang dimiliki oleh Royal Selangor dalam dunia ni. Ini satu saja. So this is where we craft all the item and export it to the other countries. And there are approximately 200 to 300 worker over here. Ada 200 hingga 300 pekerja kat sini. And most of them are female, women, perempuan. Sebab we know and women has a lot of patience than men. They also known to have a softer hand as well. So every product in Royal Selangor requires a lot of patience. It's very detailed and very thorough. So, Royal Selangor is also very famous and well known for making trophies for events like MotoGP, Shanghai Rolex Safety Master 1000 or Formula 1 trophies and other trophies as well. Here you can see a comment. There's a comics and server. And kat sini, this is the workstation which is known as the foundry. Over here they will give you a 250 degree master filter and you get your own chance to point it out and craft your own item over here. So for this foundry there's an age limit which is 15 years and above, and for each person as an entrance fee you have to pay 180 ringgit. And kat sini, another workstation which is the solar panel. Kat sini dia orang akan bagi and you have a chance to place it letakkan mold tu yang tempat curve tu. Lepas tu guna wooden millet hammer tu untuk hammer on ni. Tu buat you punya bowl sendiri lah. Lepas tu boleh simpan mold. So
you can learn from here 75 ringgit per class. They provide a class as well.
and over here you can see display device over here. Display device is actually our founder's third son, Mr. Yang Peng Kai. So this gentleman is also known as the one who invested in this 12 acre of land. And display device was gifted and presented to him during his retirement day. So now the entire factory, ini semua factory ni dimiliki oleh dia punya third generation dengan empat generation. Third and fourth generation. If you're interested, you can contact my colleague over there and for the further information. And if you're interested in the comments or soundbars, I'll store for it. Kalau you orang nak beli barang, you boleh contact saya punya colleague kat situ. And if you want to have a cup of tea or anything to eat, you nak ambil satu kopi ke atau makanan, you boleh pergi kat situ. So let me repeat again, thank you very much for visiting Royal Selangor Visitor Center. My name is Karthik. If you like our service, please visit us at trip@1.com. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, everyone.
这是一对130呢，它就是卖陶瓷啊。
它这个可以搭配茶壶啊，你要搭配多盘也有。
他刚才看我把他，我说你买点属于医生。
是吧？OK，哇，给这个时间是很长。可以跟客人走走。啊，对，带他去 happy。
来今天还要上班，然后我打电话。
我但是客人来了要你倒是要我给他，我能怎么办？需要我跟咯，是这样子吗？客人才是最大的。哎呀 ，customer always right。我还要去走，然后还要晚下午还要吃包谷碟，差不多晚上要去阿洛，然后还吃榴莲，今天吃榴莲。
对啊，这个它2000多块钱。
马币是1500嘛，1500嘛，不过我们一出国外全部是贵倍的，是贵倍的价钱。这是你的，对呀，就是它都可以洗，生气啊！我今天半夜2点是，只要你可以买一片餐饮布，你担心的话，餐饮布。你要不要解释一下情况？咱们可以再吃个当。
Sekarang berapa kita ambil bagi GoPro?